What is this?
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is an active construction site. It is not safe.
Jeez, look out! What is she doing?
I think it's a metaphor.
What?
A metaphor. See how we're demolishing the structure here? So too has her heart been demolished by the unkind terminus of a tragic romance.
Ain't that a simile?
No. A simile is more like a... You all get off of there!
You're not coming.
Whoa, hey, you are not licensed to ride around a construction equipment.
Hector, cut it! Can't you see there's a young lady blossoming into a woman holding a ball over here?
Is that my sledgehammer? You don't get to lick my sledgehammer. Only I lick my sledgehammer. And maybe Tommy.